Welcome to VehicleGenius, a scalable friend in the car industry. Meet me. My name is Colin Knudsen, and I've been helping my friends and family and colleagues with their car problems my entire life. They come to me because they know I'm a certified car nerd. I've owned over 30 cars personally, and I'm just way too in love with all things related to cars: maintenance, service, financing, buying and selling, everything. As a result, I've had a chance to help a lot of friends and family with their cars. Some common questions are, where do I take my car for service? How do I know if I'm being ripped off or not buying a car? Can you tell me how much I should be spending? Just go ahead and schedule it for me, and can you figure everything else out? My cousin may take advantage of me sometimes. I've always thought, maybe there's a business here. A scalable friend in the car industry seems like something that a lot of people would want. But it was pretty clear that there were two issues with creating a business like this. I always have to ask a ton of follow-up questions to friends and family to have enough information on their car and their situation to actually help. And there's only one me. Finding a lot of Collins that are as weird and nerdy about cars to be able to do this at scale seems really, really hard. Then two different things happened. One, connected car services became popular and accessible in a way that wasn't possible before, which results in the ability to have a data-driven connection to both the vehicle and the vehicle owner on an ongoing basis. And AI started advancing super quickly, which made it possible to scale niche knowledge like car nerd stuff, and the communication of it has been easier than ever. So now that it was theoretically possible, I had to try it out. It just so happened that I started working at a new connected car company called Demo, which had just over 1,500 cars connected at the time. And I convinced them to let me offer the service to our earliest users, with the service being a subscription payment link that would give subscribers my phone number after they paid. We launched it, and after a few days, a person subscribed. And then a few more. And then a few more. Then we were up to 40 subscribers, all paying $20 a month for the ability to text me when they had a car issue. We shut it down to reassess. And we've been working with those early users to learn why the heck they subscribed, the issues we want to help them solve on an ongoing basis, and overall, how we can make them happy. Now that the concept of a scalable friend in the car industry had legs, I set out to build a team. I found a car nerd who might even be more nerdy than me when it comes to cars. Don't tell him I said that though. His name's Drake Bauer, and he's leading operations and customer relationships. He also happens to be a veteran in the automotive industry. Then I found a connected car nerd named Carl Nowak, who was all in on these new accessible connected car platforms as a result of seeing just how strict and annoying OEM level connected car services are, as his work as a senior cloud architect for Mercedes-Benz connected cars. Now that we had our team, it was time to build a product. Since the initial phone number launch and building the team, we have developed a consumer mobile app that incorporates live connected car data to show insights and recommendations on cars, and calls to action that lead directly to text messages with Genius representatives like myself. The mobile app is in test flight, and we're launching to the Demo community, which now has over 25,000 connected cars, over the next couple months, starting with our earliest users and our waitlist of 500 plus people. We also have fleets reaching out asking if we can help them with their car ownership experience. While we didn't initially plan on it, we did recently see an opportunity to help fleets in a very similar way, with the same combination of connected car data and car knowledge AI. After a brief test period to ensure we could handle it, we have onboarded a fleet of 128 cars, paying $12.99 per car per month, and we'll be using this opportunity to learn what Fleet Genius could look like. At the end of the day, I'm still just a car nerd helping people with their car issues, but now it can actually be a business. And this is the result for the demand for subscription to a car nerd's phone number, my phone number, and that showed opportunity. Recent developments in AI and accessible car connectivity showed scalability of this type of service. And finally, the team that we've built and the traction we've had thus far have shown real possibility. So if you're a Demo user, download VehicleGenius and get a friend in the car industry that you can trust today.